Commission, point number 46.1, which says every person is required to conduct himself in an orderly manner in and or near a polling station and to obey the directions of the presiding officer. Where was the presiding
Watch, they
officer?
just argue on TV all the time.
Why was the presiding officer not stop Rahul Gandhi? Is that therefore not the fault of the Election Commission as well? And how do we conclude that in order to cover up that fault, they have also let Rahul Gandhi off the hook?
Arnab, I think two separate issues are here. One is the factual issue. I don't think there can be any question that Rahul entering the place of the EVM area is an offence.
Yeah.
I don't think we should discuss that.
Yeah.
Whether there was malafide or not, probably there was no malafide. Clearly there's a technical offence.
Doesn't matter.
Clearly there's a technical offence. Clearly he should have been pulled up. But I think, but I think it comes to a larger question. The EC, in my view, has highly underperformed in these elections. I'm not the EC, Election Commission. I'm not sure. A number of things have happened here. They have not developed the secondary channels. They have not shown their teeth from the beginning, allowed right from the beginning. In fact, they allowed statements like blood will flow in the streets if Modi comes to power, etc. Which really, if I would have gone straight away, then 3-4 statements came in the first week or two. And this is kind of akin to sort of direct action statement with Jinnah. That's the kind of statement it is. It is highly communally charged kind of a statement, should not have been allowed. I think the Election Commission lost the plot.
And this picture,
They lost the plot. They should have.
the story.
They should have pulled up all these people at various times.
Was this deliberate or it was accidental that lost the plot?
Well, I am not sure at this point of time it was deliberate.
We're
I
doing-
think the jury is out. The fact is that they have been, I'm using strong words, fairly incompetent. Credit for good elections should go to district administrations all over India, not to this Election Commission, because
in
the
this
strength of
case-
district administration. But about malafide, I hold judgment.
Well, on malafide, etc., nobody can actually prove it, but you're raising questions of incompetence, and I've been saying this over the last few days, that there are some people who want to raise the Election Commission on the level of a pedestal by saying they are beyond question. Was this whatever has happened here? Now, please understand this, Mr. Kesavan, you are getting more argumentative by the minute. But the point is, the Congress says that the decision of the Election Commission over Rahul Gandhi is final. It's been given a clean chit. May I like to remind you that in the case of Varanasi, the Election Commission itself admitted there were problems with regard to the decision making over the Beniabad rally of Narendra Modi. That was questioned, and therefore it was reversed. So that question also holds. I'd like to get Jainarayan Vyas, who's been wanting to make a point to you. You see, don't shoot off the shoulders of the Election Commission, Mr. Kesavan, because you'll be on slippery ground there. Jainarayan
Not
Vyas.
at all.
Jainarayan Vyas.
The BJP is so afraid they want.
Jainarayan Vyas responding. Jainarayan Vyas from Ahmedabad.
Agreement of what was yes, Arnab, I am in total agreement what was being just now opined. Whether or not malafide is there or not, technically it is an offence. Number one, Election Commission certainly has underperformed, and I give you the example of a district magistrate of Kannauj.
Certainly.
In order to be transferred by the Election Commission, the state administration did not budge in. Now, in a similar example, in West Bengal, they put their foot down. That should have been the case here also. Why they did not do it here? I would say that Election Commission in number of cases have
Yes, Mr.
failed to
Kesavan.
appear absolute.
Yes, Mr. Kesavan. Yes, Mr. Kesavan. I know you're getting a rebut, Mr. Kesavan. Mr. Kesavan, speaking back now. No, 1 second, one at a time. What about here before that, Mr. Kesavan?
Look at
Mr. Kesavan, finish
look at
first.
what happened with Mr. Azam Khan. Look at what happened with Mr. Azam Khan and Amit Shah. Both of them were banned to conduct rallies in UP. Both of them were banned. But then the Election Commission revoked the ban on Amit Shah, but the ban on Azam Khan stayed. At that time, for the BJP, the Election Commission seemed like a totem pole of neutrality, boldness, and impartiality. Now that they know they are not going to do well.
No,
Now
Mr.
that they know.
Kesavan.
No, let me
Mr.
complete.
Kesavan, I'd like to ask you this, please. Mr. Kesavan, I'd like to ask you this, please. Please hear me, Mr. Kesavan. Please hear me, Mr. Kesavan. My counter question to you is, Mr. Kesavan, hear me. No, 1 second. Let Mr. Kesavan take my question now.
What doing?
Yes, Gaurav, but let Mr. Kesavan take my question, and my question to you, Mr.
I'm saying
Kesavan.
they have selective amnesia. The
Mr.
BJP, when it suits them, they say.
Azam Khan did not apologize.
And the question at this stage is this. Mr. Kesavan,
What would Election Commission Commission do?
If you do not listen, you will not be able to answer my question to you at this.
Doesn't matter.
Mr.
It doesn't matter.
Mr. Gaudapatia, give me a minute. Let me put my question to Mr. Kesavan and see if he replies, and then I'm coming to you straight to you. My question to the Congress Party representative is very simple. What makes Rahul Gandhi's entrance into a polling booth any more inappropriate? My question is to the BJP. To the BJP, can I have them on the screen? GVL Narasimha Rao, please. Mr. Narasimha Rao, what makes Rahul Gandhi's presence in a polling booth any more or less inappropriate? Jai Narayan Vyas. Then Narendra Modi's picking up a party symbol and flashing it at 9:08 a.m. These comparisons will be drawn. They'll say everybody made mistakes. Don't make a big brouhaha over mistakes, Mr.
FIR was launched against Narendra Modi.
They immediately rushed and took action against Mr. Modi. And in the case of
They can't stop arguing.
Correspondent saying view has not been taken.
I'm saying that.
And they have said there are 4 such. They have said this has happened not just in one polling station, at many other polling stations.
You're saying
so
that
why this partisanship? Election Commission
why
does
this-
not seem to be fair.
Oh, please.
Why
Why One second.
A very fair.
Why this partisanship? Mr. Kamal Farooqui, I want Mr. Kamal Farooqui on the screen now. Mr. Kamal Farooqui, who said the election commission has decided, Mr. Kamal Farooqui, a counter question to you will be in this case that a FIR was filed against Narendra Modi, what action has been taken in this case? That's the question being asked. Mr. Kamal Farooqui, I want you to respond. An action was taken in this case.
No, all
FIR
these
was
things
filed
are
against
open
Modi,
for
what
the
action was
judgment
taken in this
back.
case?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, action has not been taken against Mr. Modi also. Much FIR is filed, it is filed. As far as this case is concerned, there is, as Mr. Subramaniam very rightly said, we do not see any input about the whole thing. So then what is the problem? But if you start demolishing the institution itself, we are not working anything. In fact, rather they are preparing themselves for a kind of.
Do you expect us?
No, they are preparing themselves in case they are not able to get their target. They will start telling that the election.
This is an excuse. They are attacking the election commission because they want people excuses. The BJP knows it's going to use of messaging. The BJP is looking for an alibi. Election commission, when they have failed in their duty, free of fair, and they have lost the election. That's why, because it was not held free of fair. That's why they attack. Such a come on, your candidate, your leader has lost. He was scared of losing. That's why he was roaming around polling stations. The election commission, which is one of the pillars of our country, the election commission has done a commendable job with unswerving, dedicated. But come on, people have seen how formal election commission.
What is going on?
We're acting at the behest of the Congress Party. Arnab, I think we have this example.
Mr. Kesavan, listen please, I want to show a document. I have a document, I want to show it. I want to show this document. Can I show a document on national television for a minute? Let the camera come forward. I want to show something to the viewers. I want to show something. Please 1 minute, gentlemen. Just hold back for a minute. And on this TSR Subramaniam will be the arbiter in this case. Now I'll go towards the camera. And I have with me all the pages of this whole copy violations, the election commission reply, right? Including the part which says at 6:03 p.m. Saturday it says, and it ends by saying no violation made out against Rahul Gandhi. Anyway, I want to turn the page and read out a particular part, because in the reply of Alok Tiwari and K. Vijayendran Pandian, it says based upon the statements given, it is possible to infer that neither Mr. Gandhi sought permission to inspect the voting department, nor was he stopped by anyone from doing so. You see, this entire part. No, 1 minute. So I am saying, therefore, Mr. Kesavan, please remember, look at the official document. I'm not making this up. It's not some time stop file. It is.
Me too. I have it with me.
Yeah. So if you have it with you, then concede that a mistake was made and a mistake was found. Then why was there no punishment given? A mistake was made, a mistake was found. Why was there no punishment given? CSR
Why don't you ask the question to the election commission?
question to the election commission.
I think you should go ahead and complain to the
One
election
second.
commission.
Ask
Go
the
ahead and
question to
complain if you think they're not fair.
Mr. Kesavan,
I
okay.
think it's-
Mr.
it's not
Kesavan,
right to
Mr.
ask
Subramanian.
We have to note that in my view, the violation is clearly technical violation is very much there. As I said,
Make an
he
example of
should have
technical
no.
violation.
They have made an example of so many people much earlier, and certainly this one, number one. Number two, don't forget that the people at Lucknow have to survive later after the election process is over.
What do you mean by that?
What I'm trying to say is, the election commission observers.
What do you mean have
etc.
to survive? So they compromise on the rules?
No, I'm saying all the officers there, I'm saying the election commission had not developed their own sources of information. Usually every good commission develops
So that's-
alternative sources to make sure that they take proper action here. Here, when they have said no permission was taken, it is enough to establish that it is an offence. Action should have been taken in this particular case. The point I'm making is, they will consistently in 8 or 10 or 15 or 20 other cases, uniformly not taking appropriate action, allowed things to go out of hand in this election.
Yeah, but to accuse them of partisanship, you still say it's not correct.
I'm not sure there's enough evidence so far before me.
Yes, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. Yes, Mr. Bhatia. Mr. Bhatia first and then
I
after.
would
Yeah.
say there have been times in this election where the election commission has not acted promptly. The test to see whether the election commission was effective or not would be twofold. One, how prompt were they? And at times it was found that the election commission was not prompt when representations were decided or notices were issued. Like in the case of Mr. Amit Shah, they took a few days to decide the representation. When it came to Mr. Azam Khan, they decided his representation in 2 hours' time. And then the action that they take, I would ask, why did they not suo motu issue notice to Mr. Narendra Modi when he used the picture of Lord Rama, which is clearly a violation of Model Code of Conduct and Representation
Yeah.
of People Act.
I
Which
didn't
is not
hear
important
Jairam
that
and
the
Vyas
person
complaining
comes
there.
and makes a complaint.
Jairam and Vyas didn't complain.
I think the Election Commission of India should have issued a suo motu notice to the BJP and to Mr. Narendra Modi then, but the Election Commission did not do so, and sometimes they have not acted fairly. So I think there is a larger question that they should have been prompt and they should have been strict in this election.
So counter questions being put here and I'm seeing responses. I want to get Jainara and Vyas into the debate. You see, Mr. Jainara and Vyas, I just want to request you to be objective. I know that you are at a state of war with the election commission. It's apparent to everyone, and no amount of trying to use legal language will get you out of that state of war, which itself some will say is unfortunate. Please be logical, Jainara and Vyas, and not emotional, okay? Venkaiah Naidu in this case has questioned the election commission, but your party has gone on record in the election saying election commission is the supreme authority. So election commission is the supreme authority when Amit Shah's ban is revoked, right? Election commission is the supreme authority when in several other cases, for example, when Mamta throws a open challenge towards you, then election is the supreme authority. So that thing is the supreme authority. When the election commission orders the removal of the police superintendents of Birbhum, Midnapur, Murshidabad, Malda, Bardwan and the district magistrate of North 24 Parganas, because you are taking on Mamta Banerjee's, the election commission is supreme. I just want you to explain to everyone today, when it hits you, then election commission is bad. And when election commission does something which you agree with, election commission is supreme. What kind of double standards is this, Mr. Vyas? Such obvious double standards.
No, I don't think so. Arnab, I don't think so, because when you say election commission is supreme, election commission is in a utmost powerful position with reference to any political party. And like Beniabad, when there are clear-cut evidences that something wrong is being done, some injustice is being done,
No.
the candidate is not being
No,
permitted
Mr.
to hold rally in his own constituency, address his own, then I don't think that just because election commission is supreme,
He was
it is
allowed
above
to
everything
campaign
and
in any other way.
And
Mr. Jainara and Vyas
should not be
holding the
expressed.
rally is not the only act of campaign.
No favor was done to him.
We are justifying
No
it.
favor was
When I
done
say
to him.
cannot
In fact, he was
justify, it is not
preempted from addressing a rally.
Hyderabad was a problem. It was a problem. Election
Mr.
Commission.
Jayanaran Vyas, please understand that candidate can campaign in many ways. Mr. Narendra Modi was given 4 out of 5 provisions.
That option is available to him. He don't need Samajwadi Party to give that.
One at a time.
But then election commission election commission is supreme. But then when there are positive evidences, when there is clear cut something wrong is being done, when there is a violation like what Rahul Gandhi did, we have every right to raise our voice and take it before the election commission, and we expect the justice.
And what about the violation when Mr. Narendra Modi started addressing a press conference within 100 meters of the polling booth? Was that not a violation of Representation of People Act?
No, it is established by now that it was not within 100 meters of the polling booth.
It was not in the prohibited area.
Mountain out of the mall.
Even
One
if it is
second,
not
Mr.
listed, it is still a violation under Section 126.
Mr.
Under
Subramanian
Section
is coming in.
126,
Mr.
it still is
Subramanian.
a violation.
I've talked enough about the competence for the election commission, but I think BJP party has a point to make. The only FIR issued in the last 2 months has been against Modi. It's questionable whether what was right or what was wrong, but without even a notice. And I know that the lack of permission there, 6 times the picture changed there, very bad handling at local level. I didn't see how the district, how the state administration came in the picture, the chief secretary and DGP, and therefore, to some extent, I can see the grievance. In other words, the sort of major attack has been on BJP, but I will give benefit of doubt to the election commission, and I will say it is just pure ineptitude, incompetence, and not
pictures up, and I just want to ask last word to Shahid Siddiqui. Mr. Shahid Siddiqui, is this the end of this matter? And in your view, just because of this incident, can you raise questions over the election commission?
Look, Arnab, any institution or any government is run by its iqbal, not just by law. And election commission came into its own with Mr. Session, with Mr. Lingdo, and in the last election with
संवाद कर लीजिए दोनों को, लेकिन ये नहीं चलेगा कि आप इनके साथ
मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तू बस अपना टाइम बर्बाद कर रही है। टाइम बर्बाद? अब तू मेरी मम्मी की तरह बात कर रही है। अच्छा, तुझे कैसे पता कि तेरी मम्मी कैसे बोलती है? सारा समय तो तुम मेरी मम्मी के साथ गुजारती है ना?
डॉली, तो इतनी सेंटी क्यों हो रही है यार? तू खुद तो अपनी मम्मी को मैसेज करती नहीं।
राइट, क्योंकि वो मेरी मम्मी है, मेरी दोस्त नहीं। मुझे एक बात बता, तुझे कैसे पता अगर मैं
अनलाइक रमोला
कॅरेक्टर आहे आमचं सेम एज मी कदाचित लहान असते.
Two things: a passion for quality.
They come because they've seen Jesus. Because Jesus has come to them in their dreams and visions and revealed himself and said, this is the way, walk in it. And our job, I say our, not just those of us at St. George's Baghdad.
I think this guy is fucking drunk.
We together.
നീ അധിഷ്ഠമില്ലാതെ
ബ്ലേഡ് മാഫിയയുടെ ഇരയായി ഒരു കുടുംബത്തിലെ 5 പേർ ആത്മഹത്യ ചെയ്യുന്ന സാഹചര്യം ഗവൺമെന്റ്
एक तरफ ये बड़ा मजहबी बना फिरता है और हकीकत तो उसके किरदार का आलम ये है।
Planet of the Apes.
नौजवान एहसास होते हैं, उनकी सोच भी लगभग सही होती है।
संस्कृति का स्तंभ है गौरी। गौरी माने मातृशक्ति।
तू गालाला काळा किंवा निळ्या रंग लाव. त्या भांडण झाल्यावर मी तुला झोपटला असेल ना म्हणून का तेव्हा आता सुरू करू.
मिठाई घेतली.
Oh God Almighty Father, in the unity of the Holy Spirit.
And all the problems, and no matter whatever you're doing, you are not able to come out of it.
ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೈತಾನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪಾಪ ಬಂಧನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರಬಾರದಂತ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
The Bible says in John chapter 8 and verse 34,
ಯೋಹಾನ 8:30 ಬೈಬಲ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ,
whoever commits sin is a slave of sin.
ಪಾಪ ಮಾಡುವವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪಾಪಕ್ಕೆ ದಾಸರು.